been sleeping with the clouds above my bed. I've been lonely for so long. Trapped in the past, I just can't seem to move on. I've been hiding all my hopes and dreams away, just in case I ever need them again someday. I've been setting aside time to clear a little space in the corners of my
Oh,
mind.
serious?
All I want to do is lahat na maganda mo. I can make it through without the way back into love. Wala akong video